Hey wonderful folks. Today we are diving straight into the heart of matter. Bard AI. No fuse, no frills. We will unravel what Bard AI is, a quick comparison with other favorite AI buddies, and how it can be game changer for students. But before we jump in, if you are curious about Bing Chat by Microsoft, I have got you covered in a separate video. Check the description for that gem. Now, let's unravel the magic of Bard AI together. So, picture this, you are a student navigating the sea of knowledge, assignments, and exams. Enter Bard AI, your trusty companion in the quest for academic excellence. But wait, how it is different from ChatGPT 3.5 we have all come to know and love. That is the ride we are on today. What is Bard AI? Let's ask from Bard itself. Imagine you have a really smart friend who knows a lot about many things. That is kind of like Bard AI. It is a computer program that can talk to you and answer your questions, just like a friend. It can also help you with things like writing stories, solving problems, and learning new things. Now let's delve into the distinction between ChatGPT 3.5 and the dynamic Bard AI. Bard AI's ability to access real-time information through the internet provide a significant advantage over ChatGPT 3.5, which is limited to the information available at the time of its training. This allows Bard AI to deliver up-to-date and relevant response, ensuring its usefulness in dynamic and ever-changing field. Let's prove it. Asking a question of recent event. Now asking same question to Bard AI. Bard AI takes sharing to the next level with diverse sharing options including email, social media platforms, and integrated applications. Disseminating your creations becomes effortless. Share your brilliance seamlessly with Bard AI. Bard AI empowers users with multiple draft options, adding a layer of refinement and control over the final output. Explore different perspectives and refine your idea with flexibility that Bard brings to the table. Integration with Google Apps. Unlike ChatGPT 3.5, Bard AI integrates seamlessly with Google Apps. Extension for Gmail, Docs, Drive, Maps, YouTube, and flights and hotels. Bring Bard AI capability directly into popular applications, streamlining your workflow. Here I can show you an example to create an email using Bard AI for internship. Here is the Bard AI helps students to generate their assignment work like case study, project report, coding programs, and many more. In this example, I am show you how Bard AI can help you to create case study on operating system. Because many professors of colleges want a specific case study on their subject. And there you have it, my friends. A quick journey into the world of Bard AI, your academic ally. No fluff, just the essentials. If you're eager to explore more, hit that subscribe button for the future tech adventures. And don't forget to check out the video on Being Chat by Microsoft. If you have not already, links are waiting for you in the description. Until next time, keep learning, keep perfecting yourself.